What up, world?
What it do?
Welcome to the channel. This is the motherfucking Twiinz in the motherfucking building. You already know, bro. Done lit the blunt, so you know we ready for the video. I hope y'all are. I hope y'all ready for this women's college basketball because we are ready. We've been into it these past couple of days.
We've been rolling with it.
We're ready. We're gonna about to keep this thing rolling. It's dope. Women's basketball's dope. We did the WNBA. Y'all already know. We covered the whole season, every game, every team, every motherfucking thing, from the beginning to the motherfucking end. College basketball, that's going to be a little different and definitely tough. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have to break down some doors. You know what I'm saying? Search through some dark holes. Find a needle in the haystack type shit.
Man,
videos.
Just to find a video.
They got a video up. Let's just say they got a video up, right? Okay, cool. We can do the video. When we do the video either short, which... with it being short, they only show certain things that are highlights. Yeah. And then, with just some of the highlights being shown, they only show one side.
Right.
So it's tricky with women's college basketball with the highlights we finding and trying to showcase with y'all, let alone what we trying to see because we can't watch the game right now.
Right.
So the highlights is the best we can do, let alone it's the best we can get to see what the team's looking like. You know what I'm saying? So we did a good handful so far. And we're going to keep this thing rolling like bro said.
Oh, yeah.
Last game we covered was Harvard and Rutgers.
Yeah.
That was the coldest game. The best game we ever reacted to in women's college basketball so far. Only because it went to overtime.
Yeah.
Only because it went to overtime. And let alone one player showed out. Number 0. Do you remember his name?
Petrie. I got your number. Rutgers.
And them fly ass women from Harvard.
They was balling.
They was balling, but they just got shot down. It was fly. You know what I'm saying? It was flying.
They was flying high.
But Zero came and just literally just started shooting them down from them threes, and they got a block.
Sealed the block at the end. Like Petrie out there,
she showed up and showed out.
Exactly.
So shout out to Rutgers.
And I don't think she started. And then she
she didn't. I don't think she did. To be 100.
I think she came off the bench, nigga, and killed it.
I've been seeing a lot of players come off the bench, but you know, speaking from experience, you can change some shit sometimes, man. Come off the bench, you fuck the whole game. I'm like, you to draw 4 card.
Exactly.
Sometimes you get in the game, you be feeling like you to draw 4 card and fuck the whole game up.
You gotta have my moments.
Had moments where you just change the whole game around. So shout out to Rutgers and number 0. Did your thing. This game right here, we back with NC State. We told y'all before, and we telling y'all again. It's NC State whole squad got our attention.
Oh yeah,
it's a good ass squad they got.
Oh yeah,
from the starters to the bench, everybody come in and do work. Maryland, it's hard to check out Maryland right now because I've been looking at they shit and they've been whooping teams' asses. I mean like. Ass whoopings is being handed out.
Like 30+ blowouts, man.
So it's really hard to react to a 30+ blowout other than you about to just get Maryland one side highlights. That's what I'm talking about. So I would love to do Maryland, but until Maryland show me until somebody go out there and compete with Maryland,
yeah, exactly.
Then we'll go react to that shit if they got the video.
Like
because
Texas
Maryland,
Stanford,
yeah,
some shit like that.
Yeah, because Maryland is blowing every team they play ass out the window.
I'm talking about it's like no competition.
It's like, who is signing up these teams to play Maryland? Y'all better just go play UConn.
Man.
Because Maryland is blowing teams out.
Facts.
So this game is NC State.
Oh, yeah.
And Kansas State.
Oh, yeah.
Bro already told you he got a player. Perez. She be out here doing her shit. Right. That's one player that do stand out on NC State. She be all over the court. She do everything. I think no, that was a different team, but she definitely balls out. Number 3, Crutchfield had a hell of a game last game with them 3 balls. Walker Turner, she be out here doing her shit too. 25, I forgot her name, but like I said, the whole squad they got a good squad. They got a good squad. So. Enough said, we're going to go and get to this video again. This is Kansas State and NC State. Let's do this.
There's no way.
As each team is starred on the defensive end for Kansas State, on the offensive end for NC State. And away we go. Reynolds Coliseum. Kansas State starts with the basketball. Here's the starter, Les
Baller.
Moore.
There we go.
There we go. So
Turner.
11. Brown Turner. I'm sorry. I messed that up. Definitely fucked that up.
Brandon Perez, baller.
Yeah.
Crushfield,
Baller.
baller.
Jones, baller.
Brown Turner, baller.
Elisa,
Lisa Kunin.
Coonan, I think.
I hope I'm saying it right.
I hope I get these names right. Sometimes you can struggle with
That whole starting lineup
they
eats.
They eat for real.
That whole starting lineup eats.
Like I said, they're a good program. They're a good
Crushfield
team.
scored in double figures this past weekend. She's the guard position. And Twiin, 2 double doubles.
Like I said,
Suckers
eat,
last
nigga.
week. It's an
Post
easy
word.
lead.
Eat, nigga.
Post word. Post word.
Kick it. Work her
Kansas
out.
State, meanwhile, no struggle from deep.
Nice pass. Slow.
Slow,
baby.
That's Jones, I think.
Perez, who said her team has circled this game on the calendar.
All the way to the cup, Perez.
Sweet move to the basket.
All the way to the cup. I'm the smallest on the court.
He searches for win 194 at NC State tonight. He counters with Jeff Mitty, the 8th-year Wildcat head coach.
Oh, work her out then.
Okay.
He's a perfect 2 for 2.
Let her know I'm here too. Let her know I'm here too.
Led by 4 players who average 8 or more points. Such a balanced lineup, Ernie.
Yeah, they have a balanced attack.
Here's Perez
Damn,
getting
it's like that.
Go ahead.
Here's Perez getting
That was just smooth. That was just smooth.
They have a balanced attack.
Here's Perez getting hurt.
She's at the park, nigga.
At NC State.
She's at the park, nigga, with that move.
That was just
7
cone
Power 5
drills.
matchups for NC State this year. They're ready for the challenge. And on the
What it
response,
take?
good
What it
dribble drive
take?
from Simone Goodridge, the senior out of Chicago.
Good story.
Jeff Mitty says we got some answers the first 4 games.
No, I think that's probably what she was
Equation.
saying.
How about
Oh.
this perfect 3 of 3
Ah!
start for Aoka Lee?
what I missed.
The first 4
She was
games.
from Chicago.
Simone Goodridge, the senior out of Chicago.
Good story.
Jeff Mitty said we got some answers the first 4
Oh,
games.
another turnaround and shoot.
Equation. And how about this
That must be her
perfect
game right there. I'm gonna just catch a shoot, just turn around and shoot on you. I got it like
Trying to
that.
find the,
Oh, get the ball.
mismatch is Perez picks it up with 7 on the
Kick
clock.
it.
Just
Bro.
deep.
Smoke.
2 of 2 from deep.
yes, Jones.
You're right. Jones got 2 from deep.
44%
Stroke.
Ooh, splash on that ass.
Rachel Dallinger.
Right out.
Active assisted on all 5 of their baskets.
Okay,
Man.
Corinne with the pull-up.
I don't want to have to pull up on your dumb ass.
Kansas State will let Hobby take that shot. Just a career.
Yeah, this the other one right here. This the other baller.
And Johnson about 100% herself. She
Number
can't miss.
0 off the bench. Yeah, another baller for real, like you
Johnson,
said.
7 for 10 shooting on Monday. That hot streak was infectious in practice, according to her
To the
team.
cup.
Go to the cup with it.
Riley Glenn.
Nice drive by Riley.
You say Riley or Riley?
I think it was Riley.
I know, right?
Cal State
I hope
forwards
he
and
I wish he
transfers
would
supplementing.
say like, oh, fuck it!
Trace. So
Red!
small.
Splash on that ass!
The Wildcats are playing.
Such a tough catch for Aoka Lee.
Has to play one more time.
Stroke.
For Glenn.
Smoke.
Knocks it in. Her first 3 off the bench. And Perez is a tip ball. No turnover just yet. Clock down to 1 for more. This
Oh!
is time.
Oh!
Kansas State ties it.
Right before the buzzer!
Go smoke.
From half.
What?
Were each named the MVPs of their respective pods here at the WNBA.
Momentum, baby.
And these two
Momentum.
meet tonight.
What we got? Oh, fuck it.
Certainly 2 undefeated
Brown Turner.
teams. As Jakeem Brown Turner.
Brown Turner, baby.
Diamond Johnson, the 6th-man standout for Westmore. 16 points in the last.
Ooh!
Pass
Ooh! Passing like magic.
Pocket. That's a hot pocket pass. That's a hot pocket pass.
Johnson, the 6th-man standout for Westmore.
That's a hot pocket
16
pass, baby.
I like that.
Beautiful dime to Twiin.
Time and set that up.
18 points in the last.
Nice bounce back.
That was sweet.
Johnson, the 6th-man
That was
standout
sweet.
for Westmore. 16 points in the last.
Nice bounce back.
That was a hot pocket pass for that
Time and
ass.
set that up with a nice bounce pass to Kanane.
Johnson, 0.
Scoring
Baller.
presence off the bench.
Now she's been rebounding the ball as well.
Stroke.
Down for 3.
Oh, you better step up.
Kansas State.
Better
This is not
step
typical
up.
of the Kansas State. This
They fighting this lead. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Man.
bang. So far this
Bang
season, but
with the
here in
three.
Reynolds Coliseum, they are knocking these threes.
Oh,
Oh.
shit.
Twiinz turn and shoot.
Manganja.
Right back at you.
Name from downtown.
And here's
Both
Kanane
teams are
right back
4
at you.
threes. Right back at you. How about it?
3-point attempts for
In your
Kansas State
mouth.
first half. Crutchfield gets to
Strong.
Hey, Crutchfield, you know
Just
she
came
got
off a good game of
She's been
three-pointers.
hot.
You know she got the tray ball.
Crutchfield around the program. ACC best, 62% from deep last season.
62 from deep, nigga.
Did y'all hear that?
ACC bet.
Y'all better start putting
She
some
is going.
respect on
That
this
means
women's
she
game.
is going to hit this motherfucker.
They call her Crutchfield around the program.
What I
That's
say?
funny.
What
That's
I say?
so-
What I say?
My
What I
nigga,
say?
if
What did I
y'all-
say?
if
What
y'all-
did I say though?
If y'all saw the video, bro got her last name wrong on some accident shit.
I said Clutchfield. I said, how funny is that? Her name is Clutchfield, nigga. She out here really being clutch. Bro done correct me, said, no, it's Crutchfield.
It really is Crutchfield, but
It
bro said
is.
Clutchfield by mistake. But
Really
it's not
not-
really not by mistake because they do call her Clutchfield because of her shooting percentage.
How
She
about
shoots 62%. She led that shit last year.
Stop.
ACC bet.
She's automatic, nigga.
They call her Crutchfield around the program. ACC best, 62% from deep.
ACC
My bad,
best.
ACC best.
Fuck team best. ACC. She is the league ACC best in three-pointers. 62%.
They call her
What nigga
Crutchfield.
you know is shooting 62% from the three-pointer?
She's been
In the
hot.
ACC.
They call her Clutchfield around the program. ACC best, 62% from deep last season. And Lee clears
Nice,
the
way
space
stay.
for the
She
layup.
stay
Yeah, she
strong with her
keeps the ball
position.
high.
That's a big body right there, nigga.
31
She stay
career
strong
Big
with her
Escalade,
position.
nigga.
problem all night. As Johnson
That's an
back
Escalade, nigga.
the jumper. 10 points a game. and
She know how to
one
park her
of the best
position.
attacking
Best
guards
believe
in
it and
Kansas
move
Well,
and
she's
work
one
it.
of the best
Stroke.
as well in the
Smoke.
State. Can't leave Sundell open.
Sundell is hot.
5 threes for Kansas State.
Yeah, that's right.
A trapping defense left a couple of open shooters. Like a spider web collapsing.
Watch your word.
And Konanga
Watch your
goes
word.
first.
She coming off the
Watch your
bench,
word.
nigga.
No, that's the
Oh,
starter.
that's a starter?
That's
Oh,
the
I
starter.
thought the starter was 30.
The
But
lead,
she's 33.
preseason All-Big
Nice
12.
pass. Nice play. That was a nice play.
Line.
Nice, strong.
Finds
This is
Gamerz
her
on
hobby,
the drive.
man.
Sundell. Clock down to 4. Over to Glenn.
Stroke.
Deep 3. And
Oh,
Anja.
triple for Kansas State.
They got the tray ball.
Shot and game clock.
That's why they able to stay in this game, nigga. They out here knocking this tray ball out here.
Jones.
Lauterbach, who beats it with a jumper.
Oh, that's Turner.
Half.
No, that's Jones.
For Kansas State.
Turner's 11. Jones is
4-second
25.
difference. Shot and game clock 10.5. Jones sizes up Lauterbach. who
That
beats
is
it with a jumper.
Jones.
Yeah, it is Jones.
What, Turner's number 11?
11.
So there's 2 Joneses on the team?
No, there's only one Jones. You just got the numbers mixed up. Jones is 22 and Brown Turner is 11.
Wildcats in that zone defense made life tough, including right there.
But Jones, what I was gonna say about Jones though, before I got caught up trying to get that corrected,
Jones.
she really can move with that. She really got handles.
Lauterbach, who beats it
She
with a
really be
jumper.
showing me that she can really
Right there.
do some shit with the rock.
Look, you heard the announcer? Go back.
What?
Jones
What you just said.
Jones. Sizes up Lauterbach, who beats it with a jumper.
That's Jones' game right there.
That's her game, nigga.
Season low.
We already peep game now.
She can create her own shot. That's what I want to say to shorten it up.
Gets to the bucket.
Come on, somebody gotta stop the ball.
Wide open.
Somebody got to stop the ball. Either
Wildcats
Jones,
in that zone defense made life tough.
they're going to turn it right there.
Goodrich gets to the bucket uncontested for the
Come
layup.
on now. Somebody gotta stop the ball. Somebody.
2 players on the Woodland
Anybody.
watch list. Lisa Leslie Award watch list. Strength versus strength. Goodrich again. Nice dribble
Yeah,
drive.
take it.
4
Take
quick
advantage
points
of
in
that.
half.
Take advantage of that.
Perez, oh boy. It's like a mouse in the house trying to find some space.
Trying to
Sets
tell
up
you,
the
nigga,
shooter.
small from the court, nigga.
Jakia Brown Turner.
Jakia Brown Turner.
Brown Turner.
Oh, she got the braids. She just got the long hair. She got it.
And she a lefty too. That's what I remember about her too. That's the thing I remember about Turner.
She's a
She
lefty. And
yes.
Jones is a right. She shoot right.
Jones right, yeah.
Okay,
So that's
okay,
easy to remember. Jackie left-handed.
Brown Turner again.
Had Jackie Brown. Turner.
Yes, indeed.
She
Kansas
Bro.
State needs points.
What about Jaquel?
Oh, I thought it was Jackie.
Because
Jaquel. Oh, Jaquel, yeah, Jaquel.
We learning, people.
Yes, indeed.
Y'all spelling them different nowadays.
Yes.
And a pouncing
Threes keeping them alive, man.
Man,
Jalen got 3 pointers.
she can really shoot. Glenn.
Gets another
Another
chance
three?
for three. And back-to-back triples.
She's been
Kansas
hitting
State
too.
back
Yeah.
within 5.
That three-point
4 and
shot
3.
is keeping them in the
What I just
Nigga.
say? What did I just say?
Pass, what you lying?
Nope.
Pass, what you lying?
Nope.
Pass, what you lying?
No. No, we talking
Listen.
about. We know what we talking about.
Triples. Kansas State back within 5.
That three-point shot is keeping them in the game.
Rachel Ranke out
Them
with
3-pointers is keeping them in this game.
Brown Turner gets her own
Fuck
space.
Jakia, yup, you was right.
Step back three.
That's what I liked about her already. Because she was left-handed and she had game. That's what I liked about her from the get-go.
Jakia Brown Turner gets
And
her
she
own
hit
space.
Feel me? Bang.
Make that left hand look pretty.
Glenn surveys and finds Goodrich.
Good
Grenades.
D.
Name.
Perez with numbers.
Nice.
American.
That's the way you run a break.
That's how you do it right now.
She was named the National Player of the Week. 29 points, 11 rebounds.
Stop right now.
Tough shot by
I'm about to say.
Jones.
Right now out there feeling herself.
Man.
I ain't mad at you, boo.
You balling like that, you gotta have a heat check some
You
moment.
got to, dog. You gotta let the opponent team know, hey,
She got mid range.
I'm out here with it.
She got mid range too, y'all. Pete. Number 3 got mid range too.
Glenn
And she
attacks
stepped
to
out
the
for the
other
3.
position.
Pull up on your dumb ass.
Stops the 7-0 run. They're both on the floor right now. Fun
Kansas
thing to
State is a good
watch.
team,
5
nigga.
points.
They know how to work with each other.
Lee gets her
Cadillac
first
Escalade, nigga.
I know how to work
I
my park, nigga.
I know how to work this Escalade.
in transition. Swings it out.
Take it to the cup. You gotta play better defense. Reach in or something.
Big
Fuck.
mission for Jeff
Give me a nudge or
You
something.
feel me?
I think they should try to get the ball.
Oh yeah. Oh
Johnson.
yeah.
Nice.
Way to go strong with it. Way to go strong with it.
Smallest player on the court.
There it is. There go your shot stroke.
There go your
there
3.
it is.
Doesn't matter about size when you can knock down your 8th triple as a team.
Size don't matter. It's about the heart. It's about the heart. You got heart out here on this court.
Rest of the player a bit shorter, but
What
It's not
are
about the size of the dog. It's about the fight in the dog,
You feel
nigga.
me?
Sundell, wow, easy layup.
You heard the man.
Hayes zips it into Hobby. Good cross-court pass to
Strong.
Crutchfield. Who knocks it a 3?
Nigga.
Crutchfield is killing from 3.
Clutch. Killing. I'm start saying clutch field.
Yeah, for real.
Different post
You
play.
wasn't wrong.
and I wasn't wrong for saying
Because
this.
you wasn't wrong.
Because she is clutch from the field, nigga. Now how about that?
Who knocks it a
Clutch
3?
field.
Crutchfield is killing
Bro,
from
I
3.
respect Crutchfield. You doing your shit.
No Lee nor Kunal.
Diamond!
Post players. And Hobby's making her presence felt.
Ring.
Bounce pass by Hayes.
That was
to
pretty
Twelfth
bounce
leading
pass.
scorer, Aoka Lee, coming off a 34-point outing.
You like
Helped
all
just
right,
10
my
tonight.
brother.
Everett gets inside to Lee.
Yo!
I know how to work this Escalade.
I'm telling you, I just park where I'm at and I'ma shoot, nigga. Turn and shoot.
Get back. Let me get comfortable. Let me get my shit right.
Let me get my parking spot. I'ma just go ahead and let it fly, baby, and it's going in.
Everett gets inside to Lee.
Every highlight they've shown of her
12 points.
has been in one position, scoring.
Aoka Lee, the priest.
That says to me, the moment she get in her position, she knows she can score this bucket. She just gotta get in her position.
You
And
see how she
fits-
passed that ball out?
Right.
Let me get back. There we go. Give me that shit real quick.
Of the year in the Big 12, some expectations to
Ooh.
fill. And Hobby
You know how to work
Ooh.
that Escalade.
Number 40 coming off the bench. They feeding the ball to 41. They want 41 to eat. 41 coming out in the game eating. Off the bench, like I just said. They want her to eat. She scored all the buckets since she came in the game so far.
Hobby's going for it.
Good spin move. And a
Go
layup.
for it then.
9 points off the
Go
bench.
for it then.
9 points off the bench.
Matches with Kunade and Lee.
Cookie.
Johnson all by herself for the land.
They weren't going to catch Diamond on that break.
Just when you sleep on Aoka Lee, she sneaks behind the defense for a layup.
Pull up.
Nice
Oh,
pass.
even better.
On the
Nice
spin.
move.
Fuck yeah. Footwork.
Kunade, who's beaten up at the right time.
Kanane.
Both teams trading
Name.
punches in this fourth quarter. Trying to hand Kansas State its first
With that
loss of the
3-ball,
season.
stroke
But
smoke.
Sundell has other plans from three.
She got like 5 threes to herself.
Entered this game shooting 20% from deep.
When they ain't thought about it on the 3.
For real.
Crutchfield.
Go ahead.
Home. And the balance scoring. NC State,
They got
6
a
different
shooting
players.
team.
Lee backing down. Tough bank shot.
What did I keep saying?
And the balance scoring.
I think that's the
NC
first time she like made a
State, 6
move,
different
like
players.
made one dribble move, and that was it.
Give me the ball.
Lee backing down. Tough bank
Bucky.
shot.
I know how to work this Escalade,
It
nigga.
looked like a tough shot, but for her, it just looked like that's just what I do.
This is workout.
If anything, that was a five.
Johnson.
That wasn't. You see how she had to lean into a shot on the wrist and shit.
Twiin, they're asking for the ball from Johnson, who works the shot clock. James on the penetration. Somehow banks it in. The birthday gift for Isaiah James.
An All-American on the court.
Today your birthday.
and off the
Today your
court.
birthday. Stroke. What's the date?
All time is Diamond Johnson
Stroke
knocks
smoke.
in the three. So the Wolfpack with 10 threes tonight. They average 10 triples a game, Ernie. That sits fifth.
That's 30 points already. Just given because they average 10 threes.
Y'all better put a
Into the
hand.
country. What a weapon.
The fuck up.
Offense.
Yeah, you got the big inside.
Go to word.
I'm gonna stay right here where I'm parked.
What is her name?
The big inside. Her name is a great balance.
21-point game. Lee sitting on 19 herself.
Oh,
James around
still
the
like the
screen.
balance.
Oh!
Self.
That was saucy.
That was saucy.
That was saucy right
Nigga,
there.
she got me with that with her damn self.
Man, got everybody with that.
James around the screen.
Oh!
Somehow
Nice
finds an
hesitation.
avenue. And Isaiah James, a crafty 4 points.
Okay.
Great defense and great offense this evening.
Stroke.
Oh. A career high 21 points for the true
Career
freshman.
high 21. Shout outs to
I think he
you.
said freshman too.
Career high 21 points for the true freshman.
Fucking freshmen, bro. These freshmen out here, nigga, they
On
different.
the three.
These freshmen is different.
These women is different.
I'll say that too.
These women
I'll
is
add that too.
out here growing. They out here
Developing.
developing. They out
What is
here
in the water?
looking good.
What's
What is
in
in
the
the water nowadays?
What's in the water? Some is in the water.
Something's in this water.
They about to start making 30 points look like nothing, nigga.
Ever continues to play hard and the fast break layup.
Yeah.
It's Kansas State with an 18.
Timmons is going to shoot this.
Bro.
She can knock it down.
NC State shooting 50% from three.
What? How the hell
She
she
can
did that?
knock it down.
NC State shooting 50%
I ain't
Oh.
fight.
from three.
I'm gonna keep on fighting. I ain't giving up.
Fighter.
And 6 points for the true freshman for a 90
Freshman, for
burger
sure.
here at Reynolds Coliseum.
Stroke.
And with a
I was about to
4-point
say.
off for Ki-
I was about to say.
Bro, that was a game.
That was a game.
Despite that scoreboard.
Man, them tray balls.
Number 4.
They was making it rain like Lil
Kansas
Wayne
State,
out there.
I got your number.
Number 3 and 4.
I got your
3, 4, and 50.
Yes, we got all them 3.
3, 4, and 50. Out
Busting
here
ass.
serving. But NC State, like we said, they're a good team. They are a good team.
They are.
Almost put up 100 points.
Come on now.
I think enough been said.
Love this.
The proof is right there. The proof was there. So, y'all stay tuned to the next video. Twiinz, we up out of here. Peace.